Good morning, folks. 5:13 a.m., January 31st, 2017. What I have today is a new in-box NuTone Verandah Deluxe, and this is the 2, which I never knew existed. What differentiates this from the Verandah 1 Deluxe is, you can't see it from here, but the top vents are open. And on the regular NuTone Verandah Deluxe, the 1, they're closed. It also has a different motor. I don't think it's quite as powerful as a Verandah Deluxe, but you know, as the 1, but still moves a ton of air, and I love it. This kind of a funny story about this fan. I was it was on Craigslist somewhere in, I think, Southern Mass or something like that, maybe Rhode Island, I don't remember. I emailed the sellers about it, and I asked, because I had never heard of a Verandah II Deluxe before. You know, I was like 90% sure it was just a Verandah II that said Deluxe on. You know, I asked, you know, does it have the squared off blade brackets and the you know, switch housing cap? And never got a response back. You know, it's funny how things get passed around to collectors. Brandon Johnson actually acquired this fan. Then shortly thereafter, E-Man fan ended up with it, and they worked out a trade deal with him, and now I have it, and have no intention on getting rid of it. This is not for sale or trade, unlike most of my fans, which are. I plan to install this someday in the house somewhere. So, we got, take it for a spin, shall we? We got fast. Alright, so on high you've got 4.3 miles per hour. Not quite as powerful as the Lady Delta, but you know, on high, but not bad either. Alright. Got medium. And low. And now if we spin down. And up here somewhere you can see the open vents. There should be a tag somewhere that says 1987, which is when the fan was manufactured. Out of the way, Proline. Oh well, it's on here somewhere. But yeah, it's from 1987. And I have the box over here. That actually came with these NuTone cardboard dividers. Yeah, K87, there you go. Well folks, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Check out my Facebook page called The Fan Cave, and please do subscribe and click like if you would. And, yeah, thanks for watching. Good night and good luck. We're gonna need it.